Yes, so my country people, I greet you well. I don't come. You see, when we dey talk say our girls, may they get discipline, may they be careful, may they go learn hard work. If you dey for school, behave yourself. No dey follow man up and down. They no dey hear. Now, see this girl now from Asaba Delta State. He don't follow man oh. As he follow Yahoo boy now, Yahoo boy don't use am. See as he don dey kolo for road. See the video, watch the video. When we dey tell una, dey advise una say make una dey be careful. No man where you dey follow. Hook up no be business. Ashawo no be business. Olosho no be business. Una dey say we dey insult una. See am now, this one don waka go wrong now. Now she don dey kolo. If no be God now, who go help am now? The situation will always behave yourself wisely. Behave yourself. Don't dey follow man up and down. Look for handwork to do. Look for business to do. If you dey school where Baba put you, behave yourself. Oh, if you dey school say na you dey pay yourself school fees, look for something to do. You must not follow man before you make money. Now, hook up. They say na the rain thing where dey rain for Nigeria now. See wetin dey happen now. You among the people that you follow, you don't know those ones that are ritualists that want to use you. You think they will give you a better money to entice you. At the end of the day, you just destroy your life for nothing. Look at this video. You see as the girl now, see as they walk up and down. See what they do. Kai, may you never walk out wrongly like this lady.
All I want is to one can stop him. One can stop him. I know you. Again, who carry our man? I think your name. Sit down. Are they who get water? What did I do you?